Hello guys and welcome to the channel How Logical. In this video, we will look at how to download your Facebook conversations. Just open your Facebook app. Just next to the bell icon, click on your account and a pop-up will open. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then on Settings. Now on the left hand side, you will see something like Account Center. Just click on See More in Account Center. Then scrolling down to your information and permissions in the Account Section tab. Click on it. And you will see something like Download Your Information. Click on it again. And we just request to download. It shows that we will have about 4 days to download our information from this page. Let's request to download. And since we only want to download our messages, let's select types of information. There are many options available here such as saved items and collections, voting. You can scroll down to see more options. For now, since I only want to download my messages, I click on the messages button, select it and hit next. Now it will request the message format. You can request it in HTML or JSON format, it's up to you. You can also select the date range and the media quality as well. It can be high, low, anything you wish, and just click on submit request. Now let's just go back and again click on download your information. When your information is available, it will show up here and you can just click on download to download your conversations. Well guys, that's how you download your Messenger conversation in Facebook. That's it for the video guys. If you like this video, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.